Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop autocorrecting dates in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here our data sheet. You want to stop the autocorrecting date. At first, we apply a date format. Now I am write on our keyboard 1, then write slash and write 04, then press enter. We can see automatically added the date format is 4 January. Now we want to stop the autocorrecting of date. In the down cell, click right button of the cell and go to the format cell option. Now we can see here many options. Now I am select only the text option, click OK, then write again the same date format 1/04, then press enter. We can see here not change the dates. Now we can see you stop autocorrecting dates in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.